and they're off. Trassey Bridge, Old Money, Kingston Way, Turbulent Wind, Riverstown Lad. As they turn and race across now to the first fence in this 2.5 mile. Heineken Chase with the leader Trassey Bridge now. Going on about 3 in front, Old Money second, Kingston Way third, Turbulent Wind is 4, and the back marker of the 5 is Riverstown Lad. Racing on now towards the second, and Trassey Bridge in the lead. Frankie Woods from Old Money. Turbulent Wind jumps up to dispute the second. A couple of lengths to Kingston Way and Riverstown Lad as they run round the turn. That'll bring them on to fence number 3, and 2 complete circuits of the track ahead. Trassey Bridge out in front, followed in second by Old Money and Turbulent Wind, and then comes Riverstown Lad and Kingston Way as they come to pass the stands. 2 circuits ahead of them and a good run to the next fence, which is fence number 4. Trassey Bridge the leader by just over 3 lengths. Old Money is second on the outside of Kingston Way, with Turbulent Wind now just 4, and then Riverstown Lad. Although the back marker, the 5 runners, very tightly grouped as they swing away from the stands and down the far side. The next fence is number 4. Trassey Bridge just a length up on Old Money. 3 parts to Kingston Way, and they're followed closely by both Turbulent Wind and Riverstown Lad. Coming on now to fence number 4. Trassey Bridge, Old Money, Kingston Way, Turbulent Wind and Riverstown Lad. As they continue now to the 5th, which will be the regulation. Trassey Bridge back 2.5 in front of Old Money, half a length to Kingston Way, and they're followed by Turbulent Wind and Riverstown Lad. Now coming to approach the regulation fence, Trassey Bridge over from Old Money, Kingston Way, Turbulent Wind, Riverstown Lad. As they continue on now to make the turn on the far side and race back now to the 2 fences before the straight. Trassey Bridge out in front now by about 4.5 lengths or so. Old Money is 2.5 in front of Kingston Way. Turbulent Wind is 4th, and Riverstown Lad 5. Racing on now to the fence before the straight. Trassey Bridge continues to make it. Second is Old Money. Then there's a bit of a break back to Kingston Way, Turbulent Wind and Riverstown Lad as they run round the turn now to bring them on to the next fence, which will be the final one after another circuit. And Trassey Bridge going along out clear of Old Money, who in turn is clear of Kingston Way, Turbulent Wind and Riverstown Lad. Now jumping the fence the last next time. Trassey Bridge the leader, followed by Old Money second. Then improving behind them is Turbulent Wind, Riverstown Lad and Kingston Way, being pushed along to keep in touch. And as they go into the turn, taking them away from the stands, the leader is Trassey Bridge, just a couple of lengths clear of Old Money. Close in behind, Riverstown Lad on the inside of Turbulent Wind and Kingston Way, the back marker of the 5. Racing on now with less than 3/4 of a mile to go, and on to the next fence on the far side. 5 left to jump. Trassey Bridge, who's been in front from the start, still shows 2 up on Old Money. Then Riverstown Lad and Turbulent Wind disputing the 3rd, a couple of lengths to Kingston Way, the back marker. Over the next fence, Trassey Bridge, Old Money, Riverstown Lad, Turbulent Wind and Kingston Way. As they go now to the regulation, 4 fences from the finish. Trassey Bridge still leads by 2.5 to Old Money, a little over 2 to Riverstown Lad, and another 2.5 to Turbulent Wind. They've gone a couple of lengths clear of Kingston Way. Trassey Bridge over that one. Old Money and Riverstown Lad getting slightly closer to the leader. A few lengths then to Turbulent Wind and Kingston Way, the back marker of the 5. Turning back now to the 3rd last fence. Trassey Bridge by 2.5 lengths to Old Money. They've drawn the same distance in front of Riverstown Lad. Turbulent Wind is 4th, and a break then of 4 lengths to Kingston Way. Trassey Bridge the 3rd last, over in front by about 4 to 5 lengths now from Old Money, Turbulent Wind, Riverstown Lad and Kingston Way, but Trassey Bridge clear the 2nd last, and racing now towards the home turn. Trassey Bridge, who's made it all, is out in front by about 6-7 lengths. Turbulent Wind has gone into 2nd, and Kingston Way trying to stay on again. But Trassey Bridge, the clear leader, down to the final fence now in the Heineken Sligo Handicap Chase. Trassey Bridge the leader. Over the last, Trassey Bridge. Turbulent Wind is trying to close now within a couple of lengths on the near side. Riverstown Lad and Kingston Way joining in. But now Turbulent Wind and Charlie Swan have come up on the near side to lead close home. And Turbulent Wind wins it. It's a double for Charlie Swan. Second is Riverstown lad Kevin O'Brien in third. Trassey Bridge, the long-time leader, Frankie Woods.